Episode 2 of Afrodust RC. Today we are looking at the MN-90. I was able to customize it and change a couple of things about it. Originally, when you buy the car, it comes with plastic chassis and all the plastic parts. But the good thing about the MN-90 is that you can be able to upgrade the servo, ESC, the motor, rods, tires, and so many parts about it. Even the body itself, you can be able to customize, let's say, the lights with its own control, and I can also connect it to its own dedicated receiver if I want to change the lights to blink. Then I was able to put in a new servo, a new ESC speed controller, a new motor with the 2 shafts. I was able also to customize a box where I could put all my light switches so that it can be a little bit waterproof. Also the battery, the receiver, a couple of electronic parts, I was able to water tighten it. When I go crawling, I can be able to go through the water.
I am a simple man. I don't like complications. The same in music. I like what is natural.
We play the game.
Live what the music demands.
We play the game.
And I try to do my best.
We play the game.
The same in music.
It's just,
I like what is natural.
it,
To live what the music demands. And I try to do my best.
It was an interesting build. We were able to go and test drive it. We took it around the park, checked it out. A couple of issues, I forgot to tighten the rods properly. That was a bit messed up. All these parts that I was able to customize are available on Amazon, so you have to be a little bit patient and pre-planned if you want to customize your MN90. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the like button. On the mic I'm a killer, deadly kama chui, shika fanta usinyongo bila kamba. Wanna die me gorilla, me na teacher. I've been moving through the streets swiftly, that's a feature.